What we're going to do today is just kind of do a walk around. I'm going to show you our living room. The living room is done. So let's do a walk around and kind of see what this living room looks like and what we've done so far. I really like this wall right here. This wall, it wouldn't be the same living room without that wall. And you know, we go to the mountains. We have a summer home out. And look at that. There is me and my wife smooching. So that pulley light right there it's on a dimmer switch. And so at night we'll just kind of have it at just a mild glow like that, and it just really a homey, soft feeling, you know, to do that. And so you can watch me build that on one of my videos. So that beam right through there is not a supporting beam. The supporting beam is that beam right there. Of course, that wall, but that beam is the supporting beam. All of the ceiling joists coming in from over there and over here, all of them are setting on that beam right there. Obviously, you can see that it was recessed. I wanted that ceiling fan up in there. These are 9-foot ceilings. So that's about a foot recessed up in there. And putting this shiplap up on this ceiling, you know, when you're looking down this ceiling, your lines have to be straight. You can't have lines going like that when you're sitting over there in the chair looking down that ceiling. It's got to be straight. So when you look down that ceiling, it's got to be straight. Those lines have to be perfectly straight, or it's going to stand out like a beacon, you know. And so that was extremely difficult working with old wood that isn't straight to get it straight. So those lines. This is the dining room portion, and so that ceiling is the same rough pine ceiling that's in that south wall in the living room. And this beam here, it's not a supporting beam. It's just cosmetic barn door that I made, and it's rough. You know, it's the rough stuff. You can. I think I've got a video out there on my channel on making this. So I wanted to show you these lights right here. Those are electric lanterns, and they're on dimmer switches. See how they dim down to just a little bit? Really looks nice. And then hanging up there with it is a leather bullwhip. So what rustic living room would be complete without a bear trap? Right here. Now this is a functional bear trap. It's a replica. It's a replica, but it's functional. And so I actually took it out and set it for grins and giggles. And man, you wouldn't want to get your foot in that sucker. But look at these teeth. See that gap right there? I mean, this dude, if you got your leg in there, it wouldn't even have the mercy of cutting your leg off. It's going to leave this much attached. So you just die a slow death. But anyway, that trap weighs 25 pounds, and it has to be set with big clamps. So when you watch a movie on TV and you see them setting a bear trap with their hands, It's not possible. Which, anyway, it's around over here. So if you would subscribe to my channel, which I really do appreciate, you can watch the entire build of this kitchen. And it's all going to be reclaimed wood. And so you'll see the framing of it, all of the finish work, that part up there, like this part up here. And that will continue all the way around the kitchen. All of the doors will be like this. All the finish work like this. This is how the entire kitchen will be, and I'll be going step by step how to build these doors and how to finish them. So anyway, that's a walk around the house, and this is where I'm working right now. So I really would appreciate you, you know, subscribing to my channel, Building with Barnwood. I think you'd find it interesting, especially if you like building. So you know, you don't hit any buttons so you get notifications if you don't want to be bothered. Just subscribe. Anyway, thanks a lot for, you know, watching my video on this tour of our Barnwood living room.